feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up.
Good morning, guys, from the Adirondack Mountains. So I'm back here today with Tony Montana. Woo-woo. We got Cory. Cory's new to the slide climbing. And due to the danger of these slide climbs, I've decided to not disclose information on how to get here. If you want to do it, you're going to know what it looks like, you're going to know what to expect, but you're going to have to do the research to figure out how to get here. Now, with that said, we are about to cross Marcy Brook and start our bushwhack up to the airplane slides of Wright Mountain. Now, it's going to be pretty sick, and you guys are in for a treat. So, woo-woo! You guys excited?
Yeah!
Hell yeah. All right, guys. Gonna cross the brook and start bushwhacking. All right, so right off the bat, it's starting pretty steep on the bushwhack. Really beautiful. Oh, nice. Ooh. All right, guys, so after crossing Marcy Brook, we continued on for a 10th or so, and we're actually following to the left side of a different drainage, and it's kind of wet back here right now, but you can hear the drainage down low. Sounds like almost waterfalls down there, but beautiful forest. Oh yeah.
Bunch of dust.
Wow, this is beautiful in here. It's so like magical and mystical.
And crumbly dead.
All right, guys, we are getting really close to where we're gonna cut across a drainage again. Now, this drainage that we're going to be following next is actually the drainage we're going to be following all the way up Wright Mountain, which will eventually get us to the slides. So, yeah. All right, guys, so we are crossing over the second drainage, which if you do your research and you look at the map, there's like a fork in the drainage. you're going to be going to the right side of the fork. So we're crossing this section right here. Woo! Ah, woo! And if you could see the fork's right there. We're going to be following the right fork drainage. So, yeah. We're going to be following this all the way up until it connects into the slides. Ooh. Oh, wow, there's a lot going on over here. A lot of blowdown.
It's like a waterfall down here.
Yeah, it is.
Might be another
It's like a
slide.
tornado touchdown right here.
Another slide.
Wow. So I could actually hear some water on the other side of all this. That's the drainage that we want to follow. Oh, this is interesting. Dude, this is definitely... Oh, this is the bottom of the slide.
Pretty much.
One of the bottoms of the slides. That's why there's so much blowdown. Duh.
And this rock.
Okay, so this is the drainage we're going to be following all the way up. Ooh. Okay. Wow, beautiful. Yeah, guys, we're just going to be climbing this drainage for quite a while. I don't know exact distance, but I have my GPS route all mapped out. Wow, beautiful.
Wow. Wow.
All right, guys, so I just double-checked the map. This is the right drainage, and we are literally going to be climbing it. It's going to be fun. It's freaking beautiful. Like, really, truly beautiful. Oh, wow. Awesome. Oh, wow. Beautiful. So I just gotta climb up here now and get off into the woods because you can't climb this right now. All right, guys, so after that waterfall, we had to get into the woods. So now we're just following the drainage in the woods for the moment. Not too thick right now. If anything gets crazy or changes, I'll let you know so that you have a good idea of what to expect coming out here doing these airplane slides. All right, guys, so we just popped out of the woods again, and we're gonna get on the drainage. Oh, wow. This is so magical. Little pre-slide. Oh, this is super grippy. Oh gosh, this is so cool. All right, guys, so what I've been learning so far is that it's easier to walk in the drainage until you can't walk in the drainage anymore. And then it seems like there's a lot of open forest on the right side of the drainage. So we're kind of just going in between the drainage and the side of the drainage in the woods. And yeah, it's nice and open. It's pretty smooth sailing so far. All right, so we're actually trying to get back to the drainage right now. Bushwhack's getting a little thick. Any good? Oh yeah, we got it. We'll get in there.
Just sit on your butt, will you? Sitting on the job.
This is so much better than the Catskills. I was spending a little too much time in the Catskills. I forgot how amazing this place was. Adirondacks are the most amazing hiking I've ever done in my life. I love this place. Just nothing compares. Just nothing compares to the Adirondacks. It's just so special. I love this. Woo! Oh. Wow. Oh, yeah. Woo! Oh, this is cool. Oh my gosh. All right, so it looks like we have to go back into the woods. We're not climbing up that, so we're gonna go into the thick of it, and then we're gonna get back up into the drainage. All right. Oh my gosh. Whew. Wow. A lot of blowdown, but straddle that thing. This kind of reminds me of Santononi. We did a lot of straddling in the brush. All right, guys, you see what we're doing. We're gonna get back over into the beautiful drainage. All right, guys, this drainage is long, but we're trying to get up to an elevation of 3,800 feet, and then there should be a cairn on the side of the drainage marking the bushwhack line over to the airplane slides. So I think we're about 3,600 feet right now. You know, we're getting up there, and as soon as I find the cairn, I'll show you guys what that's looking like, so you know what to look for. These views, absolutely mind-blowing. All right, guys, so here we are at 3,800 feet, marking a cairn. And it actually looks like a drainage off to the right. Now, I pulled up the satellite view just to confirm, you know, and that is the slide we're going up, so we're in the right direction. So yeah, we're just gonna keep on going up right now and connect into the slide. This is cool in here, this little stream drainage. But yeah, looks like it's gonna be like this right up until it connects into the slide. So, yeah. All right, guys, so I just checked the satellite. We've only been climbing for maybe like 8 to 10 minutes, and we're really close to breaking out into the open slab of the slide. It seems like this trail was really, it's like a 10 minute crossover to get to the slide. All right, guys, so we are at the top and we are about to enter the slide. Oh
Yeah, buddy. Oh, Brian.
Oh my gosh,
Brian.
That looks nice and steep. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good. This is, I mean, ultra grippy rock, guys.
Oh my God, that's beautiful.
This is freaking sweet. This is so freaking incredible. Slides are my favorite thing. Woo. Hell yeah, bro.
Okay.
Hell yeah. This is freaking awesome. Airplane slides up Wright Mountain. Oh, this is so sweet. I think we're getting close to the summit. This view behind us is one of my favorites. Mount Colden is so beautiful. Oh. Grippy, right?
Yeah. Real grippy.
Like you can't slip if you tried.
No.
Are you daring me?
Don't slip, because then you'll take Cory out and you'll be like 500 feet down the mountain to pick up. Hell yeah, Tony. Hell yeah. Boop. All right, guys, so that looks like the top of the steep head wall. We're gonna be climbing up along this right now. I mean, we don't have an exact, like, we don't know exactly where we're supposed to get to the summit, but we're right in the perfect trajectory to hit the summit in like freaking 5 minutes. We just gotta climb up alongside this. All right, so we actually decided to climb up the side of that rock wall that I was just on the side of and continue the slide to the summit. As you could see, it's pretty steep, but again, it's like really some of the grippiest rock I've ever walked on in my whole entire life. I really truly believe it might be impossible to slip. It really is, I think, impossible to slip on this shit. There's lots of handholds. So I'm pretty much at the top of the slide now. As you can see, I'm gonna just jump into the woods right there and bushwhack up to the summit. We're like 100 feet away. You ready? Now we just got to get over into the freaking woods. Right here. All right, okay, I have to put the camera away. I need all my hands. Oh, Tony.
Oh, Brian.
All right, guys, so there you have it. Airplane slides up right. Now we're just gonna be bushwhacking up to the summit, which I could see ahead. So that's the summit of right there. So yep, I just gotta go through this insanely thick bushwhack and get up to the summit. So close, so close. I could taste it, but it's really slow going right now. Tony. Woo! Oh gosh. There is nothing better than climbing slides. This is literally what I live for. This is my heart and soul right here. This is my fun. I can't even see where I'm going. Oh, it's thick. But there is a herd path here. There is actually a herd path here, which is what I'm pushing through.
Possibly
Woo!
at that time also doing
Wow, look at this. Summit is right up there.
Is it easy?
All right, guys, so we are about to hit the summit. Summit is right there. They are standing on summit. Alrighty, here we are. Let's give you a nice Algonquin. We're going next. Hell yeah. Alright, that is it for today's vlog. Don't know what we're going to be doing next. In a few weeks we're going to be climbing a different slide, but hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.